I was with you earlier that day only, Ronnie. I never saw you again after that moment. Kaya wag mo akong bina-blackmail dinadamay porket magkasama tayo earlier that day. Malay ka ba kung umalis ka talaga? You could have stayed and killed Joy that night.
Wow. Nakahanap ka lang ng lusot. Ako na naman pinagbibintangan mo. Wilfred, bakit? Bakit ba ayaw mo maniwala na inosente ako? How can you pin this on me? Do I really look like a joke to you?
Minsan mo na ako niloko at pinaikot. You pushed na sisihin si Carol. At dahil sa'yo, nasira ang pagsasama at ang pamilya namin. So, bakit nga ba ako maniniwala sa'yo? You're not just a joke. You're a damn clown to me.
Sakit mo naman magsalita. When everything I did, nagawa ko kasi mahal kita.